Karen Martell is suing her daughter, Cassandra Martell, for the return of money she gave her for a cruise and airfare.
Miss Martell, this is your mom.
Correct.
And the Reader's Digest version of her case against you is that she was planning to take your younger sister and you on a trip that took you out of the country to celebrate your sister's graduation from junior high school?
Yes.
And you said you would make the arrangements. You were more expert at doing that. You and your mother found a trip that you thought would be great, and she gave you money to hold the tickets. And you were going to the Caribbean?
Correct.
How much money did your mother give you?
She gave me a total of $1,650.
And that was to cover what?
It was a deposit towards the trip and as well as airfare.
And on what dates did she give you the money?
She gave me the money in January and then the rest in May.
And the trip was supposed to take place when?
January of 18.
So she gave you money in January of 2017? When did she give?
I may have made a mistake. It was.
Well, then let's go back. When did she give you the money?
She gave me the money in May.
Of what year?
17.
And when was the trip supposed to take place?
January of 18.
But she didn't give you all the money together. She gave you the money for the airfare separate from the trip itself.
Correct.
How far apart did she give?
A few months.
And then she changed her mind.
Correct.
And when did she change her mind?
I believe it was August. She'd been trying to get the father to sign off on getting a passport, and he wasn't really doing that. So I told her that she could go to the courthouse and get a custody proof that she has sole custody, which she never did. And then between the combination of the situation, she lost interest in the trip.
Okay, fine. So you were able to get the money back?
I did. I requested a refund.
And you got it?
Yes.
And you didn't give it to your mother?
No.
And that's what she's suing you for. Now you can explain why.
Well, at the time, she.
Now you got the refund. She called you and said, I can't go. Whatever reason, I lost interest. I don't care what the reason. She lost interest in going. You got the refund. Pick it up from there.
She had told me that I could keep the money because as a result of, I had
When
planned.
did she tell you that?
It was between August and October. She had changed her mind a few times. She said I could keep it, and then she wanted some back, and then she said I could keep it again. But by that time, and when I got the refund in October, I made arrangements because I had another trip planned. So I used the money when she told me I could keep it towards a trip in November.
You have any proof that your mother told you that you could keep the money?
I don't.
When for the first time did you begin to argue about this money?
It had been any time after I got the refund. I didn't think to save any evidence because I didn't think she would change her mind and ask for the refund again.
Well, what do you think changed her mind to bring you to court?
Well, she wanted to plan something else for my sister, so she asked me if she could use some of that money towards a party and a domestic trip within the country, and I had already spent.
Well, in what month did she ask you for the money back?
She asked me after I received the refund in October.
Okay, so
but
you
I
received
don't have a specific.
So you received the refund money in October.
Yes.
And before you received the refund money, you couldn't have sent it out. So when in October did she ask you for the refund? You must have said, I got the refund.
Yeah, she hadn't asked me immediately. It was sometime after and periodically afterwards.
Just said, give me periodically. In October, you got the refund. When did she say, I want to plan something else for your sister?
It was probably early November. I think she began to get frustrated.
Don't tell me what you think.